इजी बनाइए ना। हाँ यूनिकॉर्न जैसे मैंने आ रही थी पानी दे दो ना बस। आज जगह भी नहीं है उधर टेबल पे।
Now students.
बात करो. हेलो कैसे हो?
Yes. Good afternoon, students. Everyone, how are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. All must yeah. You all must have given outlines to this beautiful work of uniform. So tell me one thing, did you practice? You all practice or not? I told you to practice. Because this is not that much easy to job without practice. You will not get how to do. Okay? So hopefully you all must have gone through video recording which I sent every time. And you all must have practiced. And if not, please do practice as soon as the class gets over. Okay? And tomorrow we have an activity. So please be ready. Okay, with your watercolors, cotton, all the material required for tomorrow's activity. I will send you. So be ready with that. Tomorrow you are going to learn something amazing. Okay. Now see, I have. See this. After giving outlines, what you're supposed to do, you will be raising extra lines. So all of you raise or extra lines. We are waiting for students to get connected. Few of them are trying to get connected, and then we'll start. Okay. And while erasing, you need to be very, very careful.
Please scroll and pin the screen so that you will be able to see the artwork.
Okay, that day we completed this unicorn. And now we will be completing clouds. Now students, for making clouds, what you will be doing? You will be which two colors?
Dark blue and sky blue. These two colors.
Yes.
Okay, now today we will be learning mixing. Okay, All of you take out your dark blue and sky blue color, and don't forget to take pink. Pink. Now, after cleaning the drawing, I clean the drawing and erase all extra lines of pencil. See, after erasing all extra lines of pencil, what happened? Our drawing become perfectly clean. See, it's perfectly clean. Okay. Now, what we'll be doing? Each cloud will make this kind of circle. Thank you. Okay, now after doing this, pink this way, first I will take sky blue color, light blue color. And I will start from the top and I will finish only in half. Sleeping line from the top. Come on, do with me. Take your own time, but no one will hurry. That day I got message from many moms that I need to go little slow. So today I will be very slow with coloring, okay? So no need to get disheartened and keep doing. See now what I'm doing, I'm going in sleeping lines. You can see I'm not changing my directions. And what I'm going to do, half cloud I will be doing with sky blue. Today we are going to mix two colors. We'll be mixing two colors. Okay. And after this, you will take your dark blue color. Dark blue color, and see how to start. You will start from the lower corner. Start from this, here. Slowly, sleeping lines. Okay, I will not change the direction. Okay, slowly and slowly you come here. Yes, this way. Okay. Slowly, I started from this corner. And slowly, slowly, I'm just going up. Now see, all of you see, students, now I will enter sky blue. See, I'm going in sky blue. Slowly and slowly, I'm going in sky blue with my small strokes, one direction. So what is happening now? I'm getting beautiful mixing of colors. See this ways. Mixing of dark blue and light blue. Okay. Okay. Now here, see, you can mix this coloring. Top. Start from the top. Sky blue. Half the cloud you will be doing sky blue. This ways will go very slow. Okay. And see the mixing. You can see the mixing of sky blue and dark blue. See, while doing colors, one thing you are supposed to keep in mind that your strokes. See, yeah, now look at this. This cloud, I will start. First, I will make the pink on both the sides of clouds. And then sky blue from the top. Start doing from the top. Okay, slowly. I will go very slow so that each and every student can do with me. Okay? I will not at all rush. This phase, now you'll start dark blue from sky blue. You will start dark blue and slowly you will enter sky blue. This technique we will be applying in all the clouds. Okay, all the clouds we will be mixing dark blue, sky blue and dark blue. Now here again, and keep one thing in mind. You are supposed to start with lighter tone. If you will start with dark blue, this impact will not come. Okay, na? First you will apply light blue and then sky blue. Come on, start. And start from the top. Slowly. No need to rush. No need to hurry. Very slow. Okay. Now dark blue. Start from the bottom. And one more thing, students, I want to tell you, if your colors are blunt, or immediately sharp your color. Okay, sharp colors will help you maintaining good quality. Slowly. Okay. Now students, see, I'm doing colors in clouds. But if you feel that all the clouds are done and your only 4 are done, so you can leave 2 clouds and come in rhythm with me. Okay. And remaining 2 clouds you can do afterwards. This is the way to cope up with the class, ongoing class. I will complete all the clouds. Always start from the corner. Small strokes, no change in direction. Now see, sky blue. And now from this corner, I will be starting dark blue. Please don't hurry. I'm repeating again and again. Don't hurry. Otherwise, your whole artwork will be spoiled. Same here. The last cloud is left. We'll finish that also. And this ways we will be doing dark blue and sky blue. Here you can see I'm starting from the corner. I've not started from the middle. Finish this. Yeah, shabash. This way is only. Okay. Show your thumbs up if you all have done clouds. Show your thumbs up. And show thumbs down. If your clouds are left, show your thumbs down. Okay, okay. Do. Do. Many students are showing thumbs down. Now see students what you can do. Those we will wait just for 2 minutes for them. Okay. And after that we will start. Now see, you all will take yellow color. Take your yellow color. Yellow. There are 2 yellow in your color kit. One is light yellow and one is deep yellow. So you can take deep yellow. See, those who have not completed the clouds. See, if you feel that your 2 clouds are left, so you can, what you can do, you can leave those 2 clouds and start with yellow. Okay? You're always supposed to do this. Okay, na? Whenever I step on, so you can start with the next step. So you don't keep on doing the clouds. If 2 clouds are left, that can be done afterwards. Now I have taken yellow. This is deep yellow. Take deep yellow. Okay, now these stars, all the stars which we made now, just draw a circle around your star. Circle and try to make it very neat. Circle. 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 Okay? Try to make a circle. Every star. See, I made circle around each star. Now see what you're supposed to do. We want to show the shine of this. See, the circle you will start doing from top. And now see how to do the circle. You will start from the top. Start from the, you will not move in different directions. No, start from here and complete the circle. So what will happen when we will be showing night? It will look as if the stars are twinkling. This ways. See, this way is the circles. You are supposed to make the circles round. I'm repeating, please see here. You will start from the top. You will start from the top, okay? And then you will keep completing your round shape. Small, small strokes, no big strokes. You also? Very slow. No need to rush, okay? Beta, if the paper is cleared, you do one thing. Right now you continue and redraw with the help of recording, okay? Otherwise you can repair. Yes. The clouds I'm explaining again. For explanation, I will add one more cloud here. Okay, see, one more cloud. Smile. Okay, now look at this. For making cloud, what we are supposed to do, we will be taking dark blue, we'll be taking light blue, and then pink. Okay, now what we'll be doing? Pink, we are supposed to do on cheeks, and then you will start your cloud with sky blue. Sleeping lines from the top. This way. First, you will be applying sky blue and then dark blue. I got one message that students want me to repeat cloud once again. That's why I'm repeating. Now see, while doing dark blue from the bottom, you will enter. Okay, and while erasing, if your paper is teared, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, you just understand this, that how you are supposed to handle your eraser. Now onwards, while handling your eraser, you need to be little more polite with paper. Okay, and afterwards, after completing the work, you repair with sellotape. Okay, with help of your mom. This is the way of clouds. Complete all the stars. I'll finish all the stars. All the stars, okay? This ways you will complete. Okay. Now see what will happen then when I will put colors. It will look as if the star they are. Okay. Okay. Now see all the stars, the circles I have made. Shab. Take red. Now see if 2 or 3 students they have not completed any star, what they will do? They will leave that work and start with red. Take out your red. Now all the stars I just showed the circle. Take red and start filling in red tiny hearts. Finish all red tiny hearts. Yeah. Be very much careful. As hearts are very small, you are supposed to be very careful. Otherwise, what will happen? The color will come out. Okay. Coloring is the most important part of drawing. Okay, all the hearts are done. This is left. I will finish this also. Okay, finish. Finish all the hearts. Show your thumbs up if you have done. Show your thumbs up. If you finish all the hearts, and okay, I can see few thumbs are down. We'll wait for 2 minutes for them. Very nice. You are showing on the screen and it is truly wonderful work. Great. Okay. Keep doing, okay? Shabash. Very nicely done. You all have done great work. Good. Okay. Now, I want to show one rainbow here. A small slanting line I will be showing for rainbow. So, what you do, you do take a pencil first and show just a curved line here. Curved line, this much. Bus, in the corner. We want to show a rainbow. This way. Okay, this way, see. Now, the colors of rainbow is violet. Okay? Take out the colors now with me. Take this very first violet color. Please take out. Yes. You will not outline this. Okay? This line actually after making with pencil, you erase. So that only rough mark will be left. Only the mark will be left and it will make you understand from. First you will start with violet. Please start. One line on the line. जो line हमने draw करी थी ना? See, this is violet. I'm making a rainbow in the corner. So draw this much thick line. Not incomplete, just in the corner. Take violet color. Indigo, that is blue. You can take dark blue. Because you must not be having those colors. So do one thing after making this line with violet. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी इसको थोड़ी thick कर दो. Make it little thick. Because in rainy days and other drawings, you will be needing rainbow. So if you will be having knowledge of how to make, okay. Now take dark blue color, dark blue, and start doing with dark blue. One line dark blue. Very carefully, otherwise your whole rainbow will be spoiled. Slowly. Slowly and carefully, okay? Because now light, okay, do this. See, I'm repeating which color I did first. First, this is violet. Then dark blue, then light blue. Take light blue now. Take light blue and start doing light blue. One layer with light blue. Do with me.
Now I don't have violet color.
If you don't have, then you can use dark pink. Do you have dark pink? Apply that. Okay. Be careful while making this. My dark blue is looking lighter, so I will just dark it. Now see, I'm repeating what I did. I use violet, then dark blue, then light blue. Okay. And after that, and make sure that your all lines should be touching each other. Violet, indigo, with your green. Take out your green color, light green. Vigor. This is the sequence. So green, yellow, orange, red. Take it. Take green and start with green. This is light green. Don't take dark. Take light green. And make it little dark. Okay. And line should not be very thin. And please make sure that there should be no space left between two colors. The stripes should get connected. You must have seen rainbow now. All the lines are green. Then it is yellow. Take yellow. After green, take yellow. Yeah. Now it's turn of yellow. Don't make very thin lines, okay? Yellow. Yes. Now orange. Take orange. Take out your orange color. Orange. These are 7 colors of rainbow. You can learn also, okay? Because in our upcoming drawings, you'll be needing rainbow probably. You should know what is the sequence of colors, okay? Orange. And last but not the least, please make sure, students, there should be no space left. All the lines should be connected. Now red, the last but not the least, red. Take red and give the last line. 7 colors. Rainbow. Okay, we just show the rainbow. It's going high. But on our paper, only this much part of rainbow, we are able to get connected. We all will repeat the colors. This is violet, indigo, blue. Actually, indigo and blue we use, but as you don't have, so we use dark blue and light blue. Okay, so repeat the colors after me. It's violet color, then dark blue, then light blue, okay, then green, then yellow, then orange, and then red, okay. These are the colors we will be using, okay. Now take out your sky blue color. Sky blue color. Now after taking out your sky blue color, what you will be doing, first I want to see that rainbow, because rainbow is a time consuming work. I'll wait. Please show a thumbs up. Wow, many of you have made it so beautifully. Okay, okay. Do many students are showing their thumbs down. So by the time when they are doing very good, you all have done it so nicely. कुछ बच्चों ने बहुत कोने में कर दिया है. It's okay, but now must be careful. Okay, take your own time. Many are very small kids, so we will give them time to do. See, I'm repeating the colors. This is violet, dark blue, then light blue, then this is light green, then it is yellow, then it is orange, and in the end, last but not the least, that is red. Okay, show your thumbs up if you have done, please. Please show your thumbs up, especially those who are very young. I want to say this, see their big thumbs up. Take it. Okay. Shabash. Very nice. Now see here. Here we want to show land. This is sky. So here we will be showing land. Okay. Now what you will be doing? You will take your pencil again. Yeah, take your pencil. And here, show the line. It's land below. छोटी सी जमीन दिखानी है. ठीक है? And I will show it with marker so that you can see. We are showing that high in the sky, this unicorn is resting and the land is left behind. एकदम नीचे छोटी सी. इसमें छोटे छोटे घर बना दो. Small V11. Small. छोटे छोटे. V11. ठीक है? Yes. You can show small tree. 11 and a circle. Just 11 and a circle is enough to show a tree. I'm showing here 11 and a circle. Tree. Okay, this is 11 and a circle. Okay. Now building. I'm showing one building. 11 and I'm showing very small because this is earth. We can see the earth. This unicorn is showering the blessings from sky. We want to show this. You know what? In olden days, people used to worship unicorn. Yes. So, that's why this is considered very holy. See, this ways you will be making buildings, trees, and show some bushes. Show some curved line. Okay. Few more buildings. Few more trees. It's very small. 11 and circle. Okay. Now what we'll be doing? Give outlines on this. Move your sketch pen. After making with pencil, move your sketch pen. Now here we have given the look as if everything is left behind. Okay? Yes. Small, very small tree, very small house, very small building, you know, this kind of things. Now you will take your sketch pen and move your sketch pen over this. Come on. Now with pencil you made this, now move your sketch pen on pencil and give outlines. Give outlines. You will be moving your pencil on the drawing. This ways. And you need to be very careful. See, now one thing you please notice here. Normally students, what they do, when they want to make a big line, they start moving their sketch pen in opposite direction. From back to front. It is wrong. Always move your pen from front to back. Okay? So you will be giving your outline from here. And be very much careful that your line should be exactly on your lines of pencil. Okay? Complete building and everything. Buildings also I will outline. Yes. Okay. Show a thumbs up if you have given outlines. Many are doing. Okay, do. After doing, you can erase extra lines. You all know this is the third step. We draw, then we color, outline, and then we erase extra lines. Good. Many of you have done great work. Shabash. In the end, I'm going to check the drawings also. Okay, now do one thing. All of you show your drawing. Display your drawing on the screen. Very nice. Excellent. Please, all of you show your drawing on your screen. Please show. I'm waiting. Keep like this. Please show. Yeah, please show your work. Lift up your work. Be there. Be like this only. You also, Vita. Show your work. Wow, you all have done so nicely. All of you show. I'm waiting for all of you to show your work. Great work. Many of you are not showing. Why, Bitu? Please show. Please show your work. Great work. Shabash. You also show. Many are not showing. I don't know why. Very good. Shabash. Wonderful. You all have done great work. Great. Shabash. Very nice. Many of you have done it so excellent. Especially the rainbow you have made very nicely. Okay, now take your sky blue color. Take your sky blue color and start giving outlines in the body of unicorn. Give outline in the body of, only outline. You will not fill color. Just outline. Sky blue is a cool color. Okay, so whenever we want to show snow or white effect, we just give outlines with sky blue. Okay, very carefully. Your strokes are very small. See, if you will go for big strokes, what will happen? The shape will not come perfectly. Face and ear also. Okay, see, I have outlined a slight touch in ear also. Okay, now let's complete this earth part. Take your dark brown color. You can take any brown. Okay. Yes. Finish this. Now we will complete this earth part. Okay. See, you will start from here. This corner. And technique, you know, small strokes and one direction. You will not move it in different direction. Small strokes. Like this. Small strokes. This is. You will be complete. They will color. First we are showing the earth so far. Whenever you want to show that the earth is far away. If you remember in drawing of Doraemon also we tried this. Okay, yeah. In your batch, I have not done with Doraemon, no? We started late. So I showed in in that drawing that earth is, it's in that folder, yellow file. Show me Doraemon drawing. This batch, they did not learn that drawing, but I will show the Doraemon. In that also, I showed that Doraemon is flying with the help of bamboo copter, and the land which is left behind is like this only. So whenever you want to show anything from height, you will show land like this. Okay. Now you take green color. Take your light green, and just to show greenery on earth, just show a layer. Just show a layer of green. Light, not very dark. And all the trees we are going to make with dark green, okay? Just show a layer around the earth. I'm going very, very slow so that see in this drawing of Doraemon. Please see. Now see, this Doraemon is flying up in sky. So you can see this earth. Same ways as with bamboo copter, Doraemon is flying in the sky. Your batch started late. Earlier, we have done this work in our junior group. So here also the land, you can see it's far away. So that's why all the things are looking very small. So same we are going to show here. Now see, I'm making a layer of light green on earth. See, students, so many things we are using for making our drawing looking more appealing and eye-catchy.
I have made the Doraemon with the help of photo.
Okay. Many students, they have completed the drawings with help of recording. That's very great. Okay. Now I will be taking dark green color. Finish this line. Finish this line. Now see this upper line, this upper green line will give effect of greenery on earth. All around there is greenery. Can we make it a little bit more large? Is there any request for that? So let it be. Let it cover the whole picture. Okay. Now we will be taking dark green. Take dark green color and fill all the trees. From the top, dark green. Thoda sa. Yes, I will enlarge. See, I applied light green color. I think now it's clear. Yes. You can see this green layer. And now from the top, I started doing green in tree. All the trees we will be doing with and here this bush, I showed this bush, these bushes I will do with dark green. Okay, one tree is here. I'll finish this tree also. Okay, now take your brown. Take your brown and show trunk of trees. I'll check. After completing, I will check drawings of each and every student, okay? So keep doing. Now buildings you can show with red color, pink color, any color of your choice, orange color, different colors in buildings. I have taken orange for one building and orange for one building. I will do blue in the another one. And one building I will be making with red. And house I will be making with red and brown. Red roof and brown and sap green. This is sap green color. Okay, we can show sap green houses, kacha houses. And you can try this yellow ochre also. This is yellow ochre color. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can try any other color. Okay? Yellow ochre. Yes. So see now this earth part is done. Take your own time. Okay. Complete view. Complete view. में जाए फिर से. Now we will be taking pink color, or you can take the purple also, because you are supposed to apply it very light. As I have a big color set, you must not be having. So do one thing, pink and sky blue we are going to mix in sky. Okay, these two colors we will be mixing. But before mixing, I want to see the work of each and every student once again. Please, and don't keep it down. Just keep on holding your file. Many are not showing. Please show your work. Huh? Show your work, all of you. Yes, I want to see of each and every student. Keep holding. Very nice. Shabash. Show your work. Many students, they are not showing you their work. If it is untidy, don't worry. Please show the work. And please send your click. All are going to send the click with your complete work. Okay? Yes. Please show your work. You will be finding your work on YouTube channel of mine with your lovely face. You are going to hold this drawing in your hands, and with a cute smile, I will do the correction and send my suggestions for you. Okay. Wow. Very well done, huh? Shabash. You all have tried truly very well.
Can we use purple color instead?
Yeah, purple can be used. Very well done. Shabash. But see, students, many of you, they move colors in different directions. Please keep moving your color in one direction only. Okay? Many students will look very nice. Okay. Now take your sky blue and pink. Okay? Start doing with pink. Very light. Now see, very light colors. Very light pink. And you will not overlap. Now see, please see here. While doing pink, you will not come on clouds and you will not come on this yellow color. Please check. You will not come on this yellow color. You will just leave them shining. See, very light. I'm doing it very, very light. Okay. This ways. And you will not move over your stars. You're going to leave your stars yellow. Otherwise, what will happen? It will become dusky. And see, these, I'm using very, very light color. Don't go for dark and sleeping lines. You will not at all change the directions. Otherwise, what will happen? Your coloring will become untidy. Okay, sleeping lines. Pink. I started with pink. Small and soft lines. Very small and soft lines. Now, what you will be doing? Yes, do this much. And don't complete it with pink. Now we will switch on to sky blue. First do pink. All of you, I'm waiting for you. Do pink. Yes. Very light, very softly. Handle your color very softly. Okay? Shabash. Keep doing. Yes. Keep doing. Yeah. This ways, after doing this, take your sky blue color. And now what you will be doing, students? You will just touch pink. You will not enter pink completely. And slowly from pink, you will start your sky blue. Sky blue. Very slow and soft. And here again, you can see I'm not entering my clouds. And even this yellow color, because I want to show my stars are shining. Yes, I will repeat rainbow in the end, okay, after giving wash. I will just tell you the sequence. And today I'm going very, very slow. I will repeat the colors of rainbow after completing wash. Because now we have, much time is left? This phase. Now after doing blue, see, I'm not going for sleeping lines. Now after doing blue, I will switch on to pink again. See, till here part of this unicorn. देखो मैंने यहाँ तक किया है. Please see, till this hair part. यहाँ तक मैंने sky blue कर दिया है. You also apply till here, sky blue. And this ways, okay? And keep one thing in mind, students. Your background should be light. Now again, switch on to pink. Take pink. Now here what you're watching, we are using layers for giving. Rainbow, yes, I will repeat rainbow, but in the end. First, let me finish my coloring and then I will repeat. Still, I will tell you, these are 7 colors. This is violet, then dark blue, then light blue, then light green, then yellow, then orange, then red. These are 7 colors we used in rainbow. Okay, and what we did, we just applied a stripe of each color. That's all. Okay, now pink again. Start from sky blue. Dekho, I am starting my pink from sky blue. Start your pink from sky blue and see the tail is coming in between and everything, but I will not change my direction. See, I'm going in sleeping line only. I'm not changing the direction of my colors. This ways. This way. Start from blue. See, I started from blue. Please check. And you will not enter the circles of star. Now see that yellow stars will look as if they are shining in darkness. Right? So whenever you want to show stars, you can show this kind of yellow aura around. It looks great. Okay. And please, students, don't forget to send your work. And as this drawing is not that easy for you, I know. The special intention of picking up this drawing was only because in your syllabus, many moms, they were asking that please teach animal in very simple way, because many students are not able to draw one animal. That's why I picked up this. So please do practice with the help of the, yes. Now I will be using pink. Till here. Till here I will be using pink. And see, half of the cloud I cover with pink. How much time is left? Now again sky blue. So now see, till now you are giving wash with single color, but here you are learning how 2 colors can. Now I will start from pink. Start from pink and okay, but I'm going very slow, very slow. I think today, how much time is left? See, now we will be doing sky blue. See, I'm not changing direction. The main thing, normally students, what they do, they don't give background. First of all, so they don't give background coloring. Students, background coloring is called wash, and it is the most important part of drawing. So without wash, your drawing is incomplete and lifeless, first. Secondly, what they do while applying background coloring, they start moving their colors in different direction. When they find the space is very less, they start moving in standing direction, which is a very, very wrong technique. Okay. So you will not change your direction, and background should be light. Keep this thing in mind. The background should be light. Okay. Now, after doing blue, I will again pick up my pink color. Pink color. Sleeping line. Now see here, there is very less space, but I will not start moving in standing direction. Now I will take pink again. And near earth, I will change color. I will be using green. See, pink, I will start moving it from light blue. This way. And as I'm reaching to earth, I will switch on to light green color. Okay? Light green. And see, I'm not entering in this circle. I'll take light green and finish it with light green. Very light. This layer which we did earlier, it is darker. And this is very light to show that there is greenery. To just give the suggestive touch that now we are reaching to earth, so there is greenery all around. This way. See, now this creative background has add and make the drawing looking more beautiful and creative. Today, students, what you learn then? Today you learn the use of two colors, how to blend two colors for making a background beautiful and lively. Secondly, you learn how to draw a rainbow. Yes, I got one message when a student was asking how to draw the rainbow. For rainbow, we will be using violet, indigo, blue. See, indigo color, you won't be able to recognize what you do. You do violet, that is purple, dark purple color. And then you take dark blue color, then sky blue. I'm repeating here on this paper. You all, if you have a rough paper, you can repeat so that you will understand what are the colors actually we follow. First, we go for this color, dark purple. I'm just using the simple names. Purple. After purple, I'll take dark blue. Dark blue. Okay, this is purple. And please listen, and because in many next coming drawings, we will be using rainbow. Then this is dark blue. Dark blue. After dark blue, come on, sky blue. It is light blue. Okay. After this, light green. You revise. Those who have done, they will revise. Light green. हाँ, और जिनके rainbow रह गए थे, those who were left with rainbows, they can complete with me. Now, after doing this light green, we will come on yellow. You can take any yellow, dark green or light green. See, this is the spelling of rainbow. Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay? You remember the spelling and you will never forget the sequence of colors in rainbow. See, now I'm using yellow. Turn off yellow, see. After yellow, I will come on orange. And after orange, I will come on red. Because in one drawing, I will ask you to give background with rainbow color only. In whole drawing, we will be giving background with rainbow colors. Red. See, this is the color of rainbow. I got the message, many students, they did not understand the sequence. Okay? So this way is time. Yeah. And please, use hold your drawing, whether it is tidy, whether it is untidy. Don't worry. Yeah, it's very nice. Please show your photos once again. Complete artwork on the screen.
जी पूछ रही थी मैम आप डोरेमोन बनाओगी क्या?
Doraemon I will teach. Okay, I will cover Doraemon also because your batch started late and our classes were running from earlier. Please show. Many students, they are not showing their files. Jagat, you have not shown your file even single time. Show. Yes. If I'm asking you to show, you should show, beta. Yes, Jasmine. Pavini, show your file. Show your file, Jasmine. When I knock, Pavini, show your file. Jasmine. Yes. I don't want to call out the names. Otherwise, what happened if even a single one is left? Wow. Students are truly doing well. Wonderful. Great work. Great work. Lovely. This Mayank, yes. This is
Loan.
Mahanya. Mahanya, your rainbow you left incomplete in center. You will have to connect it somewhere. And even for making this ground, your strokes are going in different direction. You do one thing, you send the click, I will give you personal suggestions. Very nice. I don't know the name they're doing. Let them. Please send the click so that I can send you my personal suggestions. Okay? But where you can improve and where you need to. And it's a suggestion, students. You all are having recordings. You please revise the drawing. Okay? Because this is the drawing of animal. And revision will help you understand it more clearly. And it will be great if you will revise. Okay?
Vihan Gokhale.
Okay, with this, time is up now. Very nice. All have done beautiful. Send your photo positively. Your lovely smile, hold your drawing in your hand and send your photo. Okay? May God bless you. Bye-bye. I will have to end up the class. To leave?